Do you like gates and fences as much as we do? We put together a list of the top 5 gates and fences we've seen this year, and number 1 might surprise you. Coming right up. Hey, Jordan Martin from Mulholland Brand here, experts in gates, fences, railing, and pergolas for over 25 years. As manufacturers and installers for over 2 decades, we've seen a wide variety of security gates and fences. Today, we'll be going over the 5 coolest security gates and fences of 2020. Our top installers handpicked some of the most incredible gate and fence designs from around the world to add to this list. These are some pretty cool gates and fences. Let's jump right into it. Low maintenance for a gate or fence automatically puts it on our list. These aluminum gate and fence designs are surging in popularity because they don't rust. In addition to its corrosion resistance, aluminum is also known for its versatility. So it can be designed to match almost any style home to be combined with materials like glass with no issues. Wood is a very common material for gates and fences due to its beauty and budget friendliness. However, wood has also gained a reputation for high maintenance. Failure to maintain a wooden gate or fence can bring down the value of your property pretty quickly. Even wood flooring went through a dramatic transformation in the last 15 years by using composite wood to create a more durable and longer lasting product. So it only makes sense that similar innovations would find their way to the gate and fencing market. Wood like aluminum is the latest technology that finds the best of both worlds. It's even available in a range of wood grain patterns. This is a worthwhile investment for homeowners that want an affordable, long-term solution that has the classic look and feel of natural wood. Owning a property in Los Angeles offers unique challenges that require specific solutions for gates. One of these challenges is sloped driveways. The Hillside Hinge is a great option for a gate that's on hilly terrain. It's especially attractive because it can be designed and installed on a modest budget. The open air system is a unique glass railing system that can extend and retract manually or electronically. It can even be configured to operate on a schedule. Since it's primarily made of glass, it's a sleek and stylish solution that is generally used for outdoor spaces such as restaurant patios, cafes, roofs, and balconies. This certainly isn't a cheap solution for railing, however, it is worthwhile if your budget allows. If you're looking for a solution that's sure to impress your friends and family, look no further. The framing of this installation is even constructed out of anodized aluminum for maximum corrosion resistance. And in the number 1 spot, we have the Fancy Fence system. Fancy Fence is hands down the coolest gate we've ever seen. Created in Poland, the Fancy Fence system operates by disappearing into the ground when opened. And we were so impressed with the design that we signed an exclusive contract to make Mulholland Brand the official producer and installer of the Fancy Fence system on the west coast of the United States. This gate can be designed for vehicles as well as pedestrians. It's also fully customizable with various materials, slat configurations, and safety features. It's definitely not for everyone, but it made the list at number 1. And this sums up our top 5 picks for coolest security gates and fences of 2020. So what'd you think? Do you have a gate or fence that you feel should have made this list? Comment down below. And if you're in the market for a gate or fence, give our specialists a call so they can help you create a plan and a price that's right for you and your property. Wherever you are in the world, we're here to help. Click the link in the description below to go to our website and learn more about low maintenance, zero rust gates and fences. You can even give us a call to schedule a tour of our factory located in Canoga Park, California. And that's it for this video. I'm Jordan Martin with Mulholland Brand, and we'll see you in the next one.